paradise found in this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, with bonus room currently used as 4th bedroom, on 2.66 very private acres. Wonderful floor plan features cathedral ceilings, brand new kitchen with granite and stainless steel appliances, tile throughout living area, large master suite, and French doors to porch. Enjoy peaceful evenings on the spacious screened porch with views of pretty pond and preserve. There's also a private sauna and a detached 3-car garage with plenty of room for the toys. This home has recently been painted inside and out and has a new roof. Great location close to the lodge, pool and fitness center on a private dead-end lane. Indian Hammock is a gated community of 3,600 acres with approximately 2,400 acres of preserve. Amenities included a private airport, skeet and trap ranges, NRA-certified rifle and pistol range, clubhouse west restaurant, gym, heated pool, guest cabins, tennis courts, RV campground for members and guests, horse stables, and miles of trails to ride. Wonderful family retreat about 1/5 hours from Palm Beach County. Gated community, appointment needed to enter, please call before coming.